Design with Emma, let's make a change. Nothing is too far and out of range. Budget friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision, you got the heart. Spring is the season for a brand new start. So go ahead and Good afternoon, everyone. This is Friends with Super Channels. And what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to show you my outdoor dining area. And I did do a tablescape. I think it was maybe 3 weeks ago on Mellow Yellow. Now what I've done, I went in and made some changes to this tablescape. I'm gonna take you around and let you take a look at it. Then I'm gonna come back and tell you about the simple changes I made just to give this tablescape a different look. So during the summer, I told you my accent color was gonna be yellow. So what I've done, I've went in and made some changes to just make it look a little different than the previous tablescape that I had here. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. Then I'm gonna come back and tell you about the simple changes I made to this tablescape just to give it a different look. Okay, so let me tell you about the changes that I did go in and make to this tablescape. Now you can go back and check out the previous one. The name of it was Mellow Yellow, okay? So you can go back and check that out. So what I've done with that accent color I was telling you about, I went in and to my dining chairs, I've added the yellow pillows. I've taken away the black ones I had, or it may have been the gray ones. Anyway, I went back in and added the yellow pillows. These are pillow covers that I purchased from Amazon. And all I've done, I think I had the black and white ones in here previous. All I've done is change the black and white and made the yellow, put the yellow ones on. Now, I did 4 of the chairs in the yellow, and I left the head of the table chairs in the black and white. Now, let's talk about what I've done with this centerpiece. I did have the big black vase here with the yellow flowers in it. I decided to put the swag here. You all can go back to Swagmas and you can see how quick and easy it was to make this swag. It was a DIY, it was quick, it was easy, and very budget friendly. So what I've done, I've made this swag my centerpiece. And the flowers I did purchase at Walmart. So this swag, you can use it on your door or you can use it as a centerpiece. And here I've used it as a centerpiece. I then went in and added the candles. And the candles here, I think I purchased those from Amazon. And they automatically come on. So let's go ahead and talk about what I've done to change this place setting. I kept the lemon placemats. I kept the same charger plate and dinner plates, but what I've done, I went in and added the napkins on each side of the dinner plate in a triangle, just to give it that punch of the lemon. I added the little yellow dessert plate. I went back in and added another one of the yellow napkins here. I just put my fork here inside with my little napkin holder. Now, the napkins were from the Dollar Tree. The dinner plate and the salad plate was also from the Dollar Tree. And the napkin holders were from Amazon. Okay? My table runner, I left the same. It was from Amazon. The little lemon glasses here were from the Dollar Tree. And inside, I've dropped the lemons, which were from Amazon. At the head of the table, I did go ahead and keep those black and white pillows. But as I said, on each of the other chairs, I went in and added the yellow pillows. Over here, I just placed a few of the flowers in this little pot, the yellow flowers. And in my egg chairs, I left them the same. Okay, I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. I also want to thank Friends with Super Channels, Gio, for inviting me to be a part of Friends with Super Channels. If you would, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about these simple little changes I've made to change the look of my dining table. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.